What's up, friends? Another Sunday and we are going out on some family entertainment. This time we're going to Tinderbox. Not the festival, but it's a place for kids where to play. And I'm jealous that we didn't have one when I was a kid, because it's really cool stuff there. It costs some money, but everything here is about yearly cards. And we have card which is what it's called? Like a museum's club's card, and it gives you free entrance to many museums, and kid goes with you for free, and some places you can take adult with you. One guest. This is the Hans Christian Andersen house, and it attracts a lot of tourists. Mostly Asians with crazy selfie sticks. And Tinderbox is just around the corner from Hans Christian Andersen house. So what's going on in this ring?
You can wear a lot of different costumes, paint your face.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Here you can paint with watercolors, with crayons, pencils, cut out a lot of these Hans Christian Andersen theme thingies, and every week there is like different thing you can do. Once we made a little mouse from clay. Then you can paint some small jewelry boxes. And there you can do a lot of creative things as well.
Mara does painting.
No, blue.
Blue, no.
No, blue.
Wow, čūska ir deguna acī, mute.
Yeah, Mom?
Jā. Wow. Tā čūska.
I'm impressed. She drew a snake, and Mom only helped with one eye. Well, if it's meant to be a snake. Parents with tattoos can't really tell their kids not to paint on their hands or anything, cause
No, there's only one rule. Don't draw on her face.
yeah, we don't have face tattoos. Daughter can draw on her face.
One green ice cream, please. Things that I love here, that all the plates and things here are real, and nobody is afraid that they will break them. It's like real porcelain thingy. It's a real porcelain. Porcelain?
Porcelain.
Yeah, you can see. It's a real thing.
This is what it's called. It's a cool place. They give you these wristbands. You can go in and out and back in. So there's a lot of stuff to do. There's a face paint, dress ups, all sorts of fake ice cream store, fake kitchen where kids can play with a lot of real gadgets in there. Places where to run around, dress up, painting activities. On winter time it's open only on weekends, but that place is a gold. And now, as you can see, it's autumn. All the leaves are getting yellow and orange, and our next mission is to go to shopping centers and buy rain gear. We have coats, but we need pants, because now there's things we can't skip just because we don't want to, like taking kid to kindergarten. Evie is already a bit snotty and stuff because of the weather situation, so we need to gear up. We got the rain gear, so now Evie have no excuses to not to take Mara to kindergarten.
Marika, saka vilciņš.
And since it's Sunday, there's a wolf giving out goodie bags. Mare, kā vilciņš saka? Au! Pasaka te, au! Yeah. Mare, cuckoo. Mare. Cuckoo. Mare. Ikea food is alright. And with this thing you get free coffee. We sit here strategically next to kids' playground, so when she gets tired of eating she can go and play. Bon appetit. This Ikea shopping was alright. We were responsible and we didn't buy, well, we almost bought things that we only need. Lunch was alright. Whew. Now heading back home. The beauty of this city is that everything is in a cycling distance. So even though it's like third biggest city in Denmark, the central part with all the shops and everything you need is very close. That's why we love cycling. So we're done with our swimming session at Bolbro swimming pool. If you have a child, check them out. It's a cool place where kids can learn to swim, and wonderful teachers that will figure out some tricks for your child not to be scared. We'll learn the trick or a few for Mara to get back on the track. So check them out. Aqua Baby or Baby Aqua, it's one of them. Swimming pool in Bolbro, down there. And as you can see on the background, it's very autumny. So it's getting colder and getting darker as well. So no more sunsets on the harbor. Sunset will be on the way back home. Thank you for watching. Bye.